What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sportline BlackMaxx car covers for all Tesla models. We actually have 4 different versions of this product, one for each model, the S, the 3, the X, and the Y. It's going to feature a 3-layer breathable fabric that is UV protectant, water resistant, has an inner fleece lining to protect the paint, and it's also going to have charger access and a storage tote bag. So today we're going to be taking a look at how to use this product and how to install it properly. So before we go ahead and install this on the car, we're going to want to make sure it is clean and dry. So go ahead, wash the car, dry it. We even recommend letting it sit overnight to dry completely. And then if you have a duster or a blower, we can use that to blow off any dust before we put the cover on. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is get the cover up on the roof, and we want to make sure this never touches the ground. So get it up on the roof, and we're going to start here, and we're going to start unrolling it towards the front of the vehicle, the rear of the vehicle, and we also need to find our mirror pockets. Alright, so once you get it unrolled and you've got your mirror pocket here, we're going to start here by pulling this over and getting this over the mirror. So it should slip in just like that. Then you just start pulling the bottom edge down and around the sides of the vehicle and around the back. Alright, so before you pull this down over the front, you want to make sure you have both mirrors in their pockets, and then you'll be able to pull this all the way down over the front. Alright, so once you get the cover all the way on, take a second, go around the bottom edge, make sure it is fully around the bottom. It should fit nice and tight to the contours of the vehicle like this. So on the side of the car here at the bottom middle of the cover, you're going to find an integrated eyelet here. You can use this to lock the cover to the side of the vehicle if you wish. Alright, so when we're ready to pull this cover off and drive the car, first thing we're going to want to do is release the front edge and the back edge. And we're just pretty much going to reverse our process. We're going to roll the cover up onto the roof. Once we get that, I'm going to go down the sides and pull our mirrors out. And that is pretty much going to do it for us today on our install and overview of the Sportline BlackMaxx car covers for all Tesla models. If you want to check these out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.